Today we gather to remember their sacrifice because Wales has chosen not to write out of historical narrative the contributions of Black, Asian and minority ethnic and Commonwealth citizens. This was supported by our Lord Lieutenant and the Cardiff Council, by all the military, the leaders of the military who every year have made this event their priority to demonstrate that right at the very top of the armed forces and the Royal British Legion, they honor the legacy of those who fought and died and those who even returned and lived lives as veterans from our diverse ethnic communities.
We took time to remember all those who have served and serve now in our armed forces, particularly those who paid the ultimate sacrifice, recognising the contribution of those who served from our Black, Asian and minority ethnic communities here in Wales and across the Commonwealth. So as we gather together to reflect on the service of members of our Black, Asian and minority ethnic communities, commemorated here by us today and throughout the year, we are here together to honour them at this memorial.